Yes, good morning to all. No need to wish
Good
back.
morning, ma'am.
Please
Good
turn.
morning, ma'am.
No need to wish again. Only once. If I wish, that's
Good
enough.
morning, ma'am.
Now, please turn off your mic and the camera. Get ready for the class. Please take a notebook, a rough sheet, pencil, and an eraser. We can do it slowly. Try to write the answers of the
Good
given work
morning,
today.
ma'am. Ma'am, in which?
Any book, any notebook, or any paper, any rough note. No need to take any fair note. In the end, please turn off your camera, and in between, parents, please help your children to turn off the camera and the phone. Fatima.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Please do not answer in between for the questions shown on the screen. And the class is going on. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will start with number names today, what you have already learned last year. Some of you would have forgotten, some of you will be knowing it. Today we shall revise number names from 11 to 20. Now you don't answer in between. You just write down the numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Only the numbers you write now from 11 to 15. Only the numbers, no number names. Now you know the first number. What is it? 11. Don't answer. E L E V E N. Don't answer in between. 11. Next, 12. We can start with small letter or capital letter. T W E L V E. 12. Number 13. Now we start with all teens. T H I R T E E N. 13. 14. F O U R T E E N. Have you noticed something there? It's only E T E E N. You are just adding to the 4. 4. Now 15. You don't write 15. It is 1 and 5. 15. F I F T E E N. You just observe and see whether you have done it correctly just for 1 minute, or write it down from the screen. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we'll go to the next number. Next number after 15 is 16. You can just jot down only the numbers 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we will start with 16. You have to write 6 first at T E E N. 16. You can write slowly. Don't worry if anyone missed the first part. 16. 17, right? 7. Spelling of 7. SEVEN TEEN. 17. Unless you know the spelling, you won't be able to do it. That's what I'm teaching you once again, the spelling. Now, next number 18. This you write the spelling of 8. No need to add again T. Just continue with EIGHT 8, EEN 18. Now comes 19. It's 9 plus teen. NINETEEN. 20. TWENTY. 20. Once I'll just show you once again from 11 to 20. Just have a look for a second. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we shall move on to 10 to 100. You must know the spelling of all these numbers. Then only you can handle with the number names from 100 to 1000. The first one, 10. TEN 10. TWENTY 20. Don't make spelling mistake when you write 20. You may write 2 plus NTY. That's wrong. You can check the spelling now. I'll wait for you to write before I could give the answer. Now you can write the answer for 30. Let me see. I'll check it when you once come to school. 30. THIRTY. 30. Next, 4040. Remember not to write the spelling F.
FOR.
Don't write. It is, do not answer in between, please. It is, Johan, please turn off your camera. I think it's mother. FORTY. Don't write U for 40. It's 40. It's not 40. FORTY. Next. You may write 5T. That's wrong. FIFTY. 50. Now just check from 10 to 50 whether you have written the correct number names, spelling of the numbers given. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now we shall start from 60 to 100. Maths, mostly we practice writing. So you will be able to do the rest of it. Right. SIXTY. 60. First is the number and the next is the number name. 7 plus TY, 70. Next number. SEVENTY. 70. 8 plus IGHTY. 80. Tangareknam, turn off your camera, please. Turn off your camera, Tangareknam. EIGHTY. HTY. 80. 8 plus Y. Don't add one more T there. Already 8. EIGHT is there. Just add one Y to it. Keep all this in your mind. 9T. 9 plus TY. 9T. Now, some of you have written 100. It's not correct. You have to write 100. ONE 1. HUNDRED. 100. Mukilan, turn off your camera, please. 100. Now, we'll just go back to 10 to 100. Just check your spellings, make it already. Make any correction is there, please make it now. And we'll see the next one. Just go through it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Always you say 100. Thank you. Good. We shall move on to the next. Now you have to write, that's easy for you. Mugilan, please turn off the camera because only your picture is shown here on the screen. Parents, please help him. Thank you. Now it is only you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till then, only till 9 you can write because 100, the spelling is the same. So you can write now 100. Take time. TWO. Please write small letter for 100. HUNDRED. 100. HUNDRED. But you must start numbers, number name for 1, 2. You must start with capital letter. 300. THREE HUNDRED. Don't worry about all this because we'll record it and we'll send it to everybody. So you just cooperate with me and do it now. 400. Write the spelling of 4. FOUR. 400. HUNDRED. 500. FIVE. Remember, you must start with a capital letter. FIVE. HUNDRED. Now we'll go to 600. SIXHUNDRED. One instruction now. When you see all these numbers, don't write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to write 100, then you must go to 200. 700. SEVENHUNDRED. 700. 800. EIG. Start with a capital E. IGHT. HUNDRED. Leave a space in between 8 and 100. Now comes 900. NINEHUNDRED. Now for 1000, when you say 1000, but when you write, you must tell always 1000. Like how you wrote for 100, you must write 1000. Just have a quick look. 100. Only check once the spelling of 100. You can do it neatly. Only the spelling of 100. 200, 300, 400, 500.
Hello.
Please, please turn off your mic. Whoever's talking, you can join the class and do it later. 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Good. When you find the missing number, that is the number after, in between, before, when you're very, very clear with all these numbers, you will be able to write the missing numbers from 201 to 300 today when you leave this class. Every day you have to practice. Now, just have a look at the picture here. I mean the numbers. 209, 210. You don't write 200, then 10. 209 plus 1, you get 210. Add 1 to it. Just write the next number. Now, finish off all the three. 200 and 222.
Ma'am, we cannot see, ma'am.
Cannot see.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't.
Visible only, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Must be some technical problem for that. Okay, just see now. 1 minute. 200. No. Yes. 222. Just write the number before and after. I'll check it
Ma'am, I
later.
cannot see, ma'am.
Please, those who cannot see, just cooperate with us. You can see it later. Now, just don't disturb anybody in between. Others can see. 222, just write the number before and after. No problem if it's wrong. Now, 278. There is no need for you to tell 278. It is 278. Write the next number, 280, after filling in that missing number. Now I shall give you the answers over here. 209, 210, 211. You can just put a tick in your notebook. 221, 222, 223. Good. 278, 279, 280. Very good, children. I know that all must have done it. No need to answer now. Now we'll go to the next set of numbers. You can just write down this slowly. I'll give you time and put dash. First one, I'll call out if you want. 211, 212. Put 4 dashes. Slowly you can do. Now, 200. Slowly, write slowly. I know it will be very difficult for you to write 3 numbers together, 3-digit numbers. 227. Sorry. 226, 2 dashes. 229, again 2 dashes. Parents, make children write so they will be able to do it later. 226, 2 dashes. 229, 2 dashes. Next, 258 dash, 260 dash, 3 dashes again. 270, 5 dashes. 292, 3 dashes. 296, 1 dash. If you have maths notebook, it will be easy for you. Now, you try to write these answers. I'll give you 2 minutes. You can fill in and you do by yourself what comes after 12. You go on like that. You can write the numbers one after the other. Don't worry, it's not only written work. Each class will be different. 226 after 6. What number comes after which one? Is it 7 or 8? After 26, 27, 28. Hundreds place is the same. Fill in slowly. Now come to the third row. 258. Which number after 8? After 58. I'm not talking about hundreds place because it's the same for all. Easy for you. After 58, one number, then 60. Then what comes after that? Just fill in the 3 boxes. Now 270. Write the numbers after 270. 5 dashes. $292, 292, 3 dashes. No, I think most of you would have finished it. Now just check the answer whether it's correct. On the next screen, just check. Yes, if it's wrong, you can correct it. I'll read out the first row. 211, 212. Please check with me as I read. 213, 214, 215, 216. Now comes to the next row. 227, 228, 229, 230, 231. Just check the number after 29. 229. You cannot write 200 and another 30. Just write 230. After 29, it's 30. 31. 231. Now comes to the next row. Now please come to the next row. 258, 259, 260, 261, 262, 263. Now remember how to form the numbers, how to write 1 to 9 numbers clearly. Next, 270, 271, 272, 273, 274, 275. Yes, it's done. Now come to the next row. 292, 293, 294, 295, 296, 297. Now, parents can see whether the children have done it correctly. Please give them some grade. Altogether, if they have got correct, please give 10 on 10. I will check it when you come to school. Now, I just want to know whether you have done yesterday's table. I'll just show you the table, yesterday's table. You just check whether you have done it correctly. Yesterday table, I'll show you just now. 1 minute, no, don't answer, please. You just check number chart yesterday's 1 to 200. Hope all would have done it. 200. For that also, you will get a grade. Those who have done, parents must give them a grade today. Let me see. And it should be only child's work, children. They must write. Parents don't fill in anything. If you don't write, leave it. If you don't know, leave it. You can write the next day. Now, today you have to write. You can write in your maths notebook numbers from 201 to 300. Just note it down. Today you have to write numbers from 201. Just read numbers from 201 to 300. Not 250. 300, sorry. Numbers from 201 to 300 in your notebook and keep it ready. So every day you will have one page to write, so that when you come to school, it will be easy for you to write any number before, after, in between, missing numbers. Missing numbers, always you'll have to add only one. Skip counting is different. Missing, only you add one to the previous number. 201 to 300 in your maths notebook, old maths notebook, clearly. Formation should be correct.
Ma'am, I'm not having a max book.
Never mind. Please ask your parents to draw columns like how I showed you the first day.
Okay.
You just can put just comma and write. Don't worry about any notebook, anything. Don't worry. Any sheet you can just put comma and write. It's not necessary you need it, but keep all that in your file. Okay, keep all that, because when you come to school, so many stars you will be getting, different colors. Stars ma'am will put, whoever's taking class. Sometimes Mrs. Cleona will be taking for 2B and I'll be taking for 2A. So you will get stars and good, but I will check the handwriting. No pen to write. Only if you know you write, because I know that your small children, your hand will pain. So write 10 numbers after you finish all the classes today. Okay, then I think you must have got all the instructions what I said. Now that you can take a break after 2 minutes, just check all that. You don't worry about all this, because all the classes will be sent to each one's link, okay, each child. So you can go through and just have a look at all the classes. Take a short break. Please leave the classroom. Thank you so much, children. And no need to say thank you, ma'am, thank you, ma'am. And I know that thanks a lot. Bye. You can get ready for the next class after taking a break. Please go for it.
Thank you, ma'am.
When you are in class,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
now just listen. When you are in class, don't be lying on the bed.
Thank you, Honey, ma'am.
Thank you. How you said? Get under exam.
Thank you, Honey, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, Honey, ma'am.
Now, how you sit in class? Same way. Don't think we are very strict now.
Thank you, ma'am.
How you sit
Thank you,
in class? Get ready.
ma'am.
Lie down. Parents will take care of them. Make them understand how to sit in each class. Thank you so much. See you on Monday. Now we'll have the next class on Monday. Go to the next class. Get ready for the next class. All can leave the classroom. Thank you so much, children.